There are various tips and tricks that can help to limit unnecessary resource usage, giving a speed boost to your PC. In this video, I am sharing various tips and tricks to speed up Windows 10, with step-by-step instructions, so you can experience a fast, smooth and better PC performance. The main reason for your PC to be running slow can be visual effects and animations that increase the burden on the system resources. In the latest PCs, visual effects and animations may not cause a huge impact on power and speed. However, in older PCs, these do play a role, so turning them off is your best option. Follow the steps to disable visual effects and animations. Search indexing improves the search tool's responses and speeds up searching in Windows 10. It weakens the performance, however, as it runs in the background and utilizes a lot of system resources. Owing to this reason, if you do searches occasionally, then it's best to disable it. Throughout the time, your PC gets loaded up with lots of useless data that occupies space that could be utilized by programs and slows down overall read/write operations. That's why it's essential to get rid of unnecessary files using the disk cleanup tool. To run disk cleanup to free up space on your system, perform these steps. The fast startup option helps in starting your PC faster after a shutdown by cutting down on boot up time, using caching for some necessary resources into a single file on the hard disk. Follow these steps to enable fast startup option in Windows 10. Apps running in the background take system resources, heat up your PC and reduce its overall performance. That's why, it's better to disable them to speed up your Windows 10 and start them manually whenever you required. This reduces resource usage and helps speed up your system. Follow these steps to turn off background running apps. Optimize virtual memory. With a low RAM, it's difficult to multitask smoothly on Windows 10. The recommended solution is to either clean the RAM or upgrade it. However, if you're not willing to spend money on it, then the other option is to allocate more virtual memory. Perform these steps to optimize the virtual memory.